Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Alcatel Fierce 2 smartphone so you can use it with any carrier or country. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked T-Mobile Fierce 2 and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network, but you can use this video as a guide for any carrier. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. One of the best and most trusting websites that I use to get my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com. because the prices are unbeatable and their customer service is the best in the market. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop down list, and on the next page go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is T-Mobile. So before we continue, we do need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select get unlocking code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you your unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because the prices are always the cheapest in the market than any other unlocking website. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Next, go ahead and remove the back plate of the phone so you can gain access to the SIM tray, and here is where you put in the SIM card that you want to use with the phone. I want to use the Fierce 2 on my AT&T network, so I am putting in my AT&T SIM card. If the SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. I have left a link in the description section to show you how that's done. So after you insert your SIM card in the tray, go ahead and put back the back plate and power on your device. Once the phone boots up, go ahead and leave the lock screen, and immediately after you will get a prompt asking you for the unlock code. This is where you put in the unlock code that was sent to you by the unlocking company. So after putting in the code, your phone will take you straight to the home screen and your phone will be permanently unlocked. As you can see, I am using my T-Mobile Fierce 2 on my AT&T network. So that's how you unlock your Alcatel Fierce 2 smartphone. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you run into any problems or have any questions at all, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is Ed from TechSource and I'll see you guys in the next video.